Welcome back to Clastify Tutorials. Gabriel here again, and today we're diving deep into the business and management IA format and structure. We know this can be daunting, so we're here to break down the process, providing you with a structured approach to ensure you hit all the right notes. We'll cover each section in detail, from the title page to supporting documents. And what's most important, this is relevant to the newest syllabus from May 2024 onwards. Remember, these are just guidelines to give your IA a solid structure, but there's no specific format dictated by the IB. You can still perform well using a different one, but this particular is based on our experience and trusted by our users. Feel free to check other business and management IAs on clastify.com, and don't forget to follow our channel as we bring valuable videos every week. Let's get started. Let's go ahead with your title page, which is more than just a formality. It's essential to include your research question and key concept, especially with the new emphasis on concepts like change, ethics, creativity, and sustainability for IA starting from the May 2024 session. Also, include your IB number and session date, and keep the word count within 1800 words. A pro tip: steer clear of personal identifiers like your name or school for anonymity. Check out the perfect title page example on our website, where we have a multiple properly structured business and management IAs available completely for free. A well-organized table of contents is your IA's backbone. It should clearly outline sections like introduction, analysis, conclusion, references, and supporting documents. Under analysis, list your chosen tools like, for example, SWOT or steeple analysis. This not only keeps you organized, but also guides your examiner through your IA, just like in this example. And as you can see, this is the properly structured table with all of the bullet points I just mentioned. In your introduction, provide a snapshot of the business or organization you're studying. Mention the product or service and directly link it to your research question and key concept. Keep it brief but informative, around 200 words, and don't forget those in-text citations. This sets the stage for your entire IA. For a model introduction, check out the examples on our site as well. The free examples we have are always a good starting point. See what others have done, get inspired by it, and move on with your own coursework. The analysis is where you bring out the big guns. As you can see, use your selected tools to dissect the business problem, linking each to the key concept. Usually, you should use 2 or 3 business tools maximum. Structure this section with clear, separate analysis for each tool. Think of each part as a mini essay. Introduce the tool, justify its use, analyze its application, and conclude by trying it back to the key concept. Don't overlook discussing the limitations and reliability of your sources. This is the heart of your IA, so aim for a detailed and robust analysis, roughly around 1300 to 1400 words. Your conclusion is where everything comes together. Revisit your research question and key concept, then give a concise overview of your findings. Highlight how each tool contributed to your analysis and acknowledge any limitations. Keep it around 250 to 300 words. This is about wrapping up your insights neatly without unnecessary words with no content. This section might seem easy, but it's very essential to get the top grade. You might want to revisit your conclusion after you write the whole IA, just to double check if it's good. Take a look at our example. Be short and sweet, don't overextend sentences. Remember to go back to your RQ and key concepts and briefly describe your findings. That's what it's all about here. In your references, it's crucial to credit all your sources accurately. Make sure to label your supporting documents references for clarity. This not only shows academic integrity, but also adds to the credibility of your IA. For a guide on how to reference effectively, take a look at the free examples on our website. Finally, your supporting documents. In most cases, you should use between 3 to 5 pieces, and remember that parts of supporting documents which relate directly to the IA should be highlighted. This section is where you provide the actual evidence for your analysis. Include everything from diagrams and articles to transcripts. It's about showing the concrete foundation behind your IA. Take a glimpse at the example we provided. Simply said, this is what we want to do here. number of supporting documents, title, date, and content. And that's a wrap on structuring and formatting your business and management IA. With these guidelines, you're well on your way to crafting an IA that stands out. Don't forget, Clastify is here to support you every step of the way. Check out our website for more resources and examples, and if you got an IA you're working on, we're here to help you review it. If you have your IA ready, you can always send it to us for a detailed review. We'll provide you with a mark scheme and a predicted grade. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Best of luck, everyone!